Hi everyone, welcome to Tonic. This is the prediction paper that I have prepared for Cambridge 0580 paper 2 non-calculator paper. Okay, let's start solving the questions. The first question is given that search question, right? Simplify. So first we have to break this square root of 27 in terms of two numbers, one square number and one non-square number if it possible. So we can say 27 equals to 9 times 3 square root plus, and this one we can write down 4 times 3, that's 12, right? So if I try to apply the rule here, square root of 9 times square root of 3 plus this will be square root of 4 times square root of 3. Okay, and square root of 9 becomes 3 and 3 root 3, and this becomes square root of 4 is 2, it will be 2 root 3, that equals to, this 2 will act as a like terms, 3 root 3 plus 2 root 3, this will be 5 root 3. Got it everyone? This answer will be 5 root 3. Okay, next is given that 40 times 40 times square root of 8 over 5 root 2, that equals to k. Okay, this question can be solved in this way. So 40 times, here 8 I can write down as a 4 times 2 square root over, we have 5 root 2 in denominator, right? Again, so we can say 40 times square root of 4 times square root of 2 over, it will be 5 times square root of 2. Is it okay? So you can see here that root 2 and root 2 can be cancelled, or we can say divided, and 5 times 8, it will be like 40, right? And square root of 8 becomes 2, so we can say in numerator we have 8 times 2, denominator is nothing, we have 1, so no problem in that, it will be 16 over 1, or we can say only 16. Okay, yes, see, if I'm going very fast, because I'm assuming that you have practiced a lot, so if I'm going very fast, please pause the video and try to learn what I'm trying to solve it. Okay, now question number C. Question number C is given rationalize. How to rationalize any surd? All of us know that we have to multiply the conjugate in the numerator and denominator. So 3 minus root 5 times 3 plus root 5. Is it okay? And numerator we have 3 plus root 5, like this. Now all of us know that formula, that a minus b times a plus b, then if you expand this, the formula becomes a squared minus b squared. Okay, so denominator becomes what? 3 squared minus root 5 squared, and numerator we have 3 plus root 5. Is it okay? Now we can say 3 plus root 5 over 3 squared becomes 9, and root 5 squared becomes 5, because square root is given, right? That square will be the number itself, so it will be 9 minus 4, that equals to 4. So we can write down in this way that 3 plus root 5 over 4 will be the simplified answer for this question. Clear everyone? Okay, next. Question number 2. Question number 2 is given, it's a recurring decimal, we have to write down in a fraction. Whenever any recurring decimal question is given, whatever the decimal is given, please write down as a like terms of x. So we can say x equals to 0.3282828, because these terms are repeating, right? Now first step is try to move the non-recurring number. That means we have 3, one term, one digit, right? If I times 10, it will be 10x, that equals to 3.2828, and 28 is given like this. Now we have two digits, we have recurring number, right? Now we'll try to multiply 100, and we try to shift two digits round. Now it will be like 1000x, that equals to 328 point. Again we are we have decimal values 282828. If you see this question carefully, in these two equations, these two decimal values are exactly same, so we can subtract these two equations. How? So we can say 1000x minus 10x, so it will be 990x, that equals to, and this two decimal value if you subtract can be cancelled, 328 minus 3, so it will be 325. Got it? Now x equals to 325 over 990. Got it? And if you simplify more, so I think we can divide by 5, we can divide by 5 here, so it will be 5 6 are 30 and 5 5 25, and it will be 5 ones are 5 nines and 5 eights are 40. Yes, so we can write the answer 65 over 198. Is it okay, everyone? This is a recurring decimal question, easy question. Okay, question number 3. At midday, the temperature was minus 2 degrees Celsius. At 6 p.m., the temperature was 4 degrees Celsius. So find the difference between these temperatures. Obviously, the second temperature is given 4 degree minus 2, right? So it will be 4 plus 2, that becomes 6 degrees Celsius. Got it? Now, the temperature at midnight is 9 degree lesser, or we can say lower than the temperature at midday. At midday, we had temperature minus 2. So again, it is like reduced by 9 degree. So minus 9. So minus 2 minus 9 becomes minus 11. So it will be minus 11 degrees Celsius. Got it? Question number 4. Question number 4 is given. Amber and Pablo share $280 in the ratio of 2:5. Find the Pablo share, right? Now, this 2:5 means if I say 2 plus 5, total we have how many shares? 7 shares. So, if I say that 7 shares value, that equals to 280, then if I try to find the 1 share, that equals to 280 over 7, so it will be like $40, right? Now how many share Pablo has as per the question? It's 5. So 5 times 40, that equals to $200. Is it okay, everyone? So this question is easy, I think, so you can do it very easily, right? So if I'm going very fast, please try to pause the video and check how I'm solving these questions. Okay, question number 5. Here are 8 integers, right? And find the mode of this one. So how to find the mode? Remember, mode in means, that means the most repeated number in this in this digits. We can say here minus 1 is repeated thrice, so we can say minus 1 is the mode, or we can say most repeated, most frequencies number. Okay, how to find median? Median is called the middle number. Clear? To find this median, first step is try to rearrange the numbers from smaller to greater or greater to smaller. For example, for this case, I'm trying to rearrange the numbers in from smaller to greater. So smaller number, what we have first? Minus 7. Then we have minus 5. We have minus 3 twice, right? Then we have minus 1. Then we have minus 1 again. So minus 1 thrice. And at the end, we have 2. Correct? So how to find the mid number? If you see this properly, if I take these two numbers as a mid numbers, so this here we have 3 numbers and here we have 3 numbers, right? Remember, median cannot be 2 numbers. You have to take the mid number of these 2 numbers. Are you getting it? Minus 3 and minus 1. How to find the mid number? So mid number equals to minus 2. Are you getting it? Or we can say this minus 3 plus the next number, make it half. This is also minus 2. That your wish, whatever you can say. Did you get it, everyone? Okay, the most important thing is to find the median. Always rearrange the numbers. Clear? Okay, question number 6. Question number 6 is given ratio. So the person has 60 red counters, 72 blue counters and 36 green counters. So find the ratio in simplest form. So it's given 60. First is check, this is blue, this is first one is red, right? 60 is red. Second one is blue, 72, and third one is green, that is 36. How to simplify? Find the like a number, or we can say highest common factor of these 3 numbers which can be divisible all in all these 3. So in this case, I think the most largest number which can be divisible by is 12. So divide by 12, we can say divide by 12, or we can say divide by 12. Is it okay? So it will be 5, I think it will be 6, 12 times 6 is 72, and it will be 3. So 5 ratio 6 ratio 3 will be the simplified answer for this question. Is it okay? Next, the person has a bag containing yellow counters, okay, yellow and white counters, right? So the ratio of yellow to white, so is given 5 ratio 8. So this one yellow counters, this one is white counters. There are 18 more white counters than yellow counters. Okay, Then find the number of yellow counters and white counters. What does it mean? For example, we have white counters is, for example, 8x. Okay, and yellow counters we have, for example, we have 5x. So as per the question, so white counter is more, so 8x minus 5x, that is exactly equals to 18 counters. So 3x equals to, we can say 18 counters, divide 3 on both sides, so 18 over 3, that means the value of x is 6 here. Is it okay? Now to find the yellow counters, so I'll multiply 6 here, so 5 times 3, sorry, 5 times 6, that 30 counters for yellow, and for white counters it will be 8 times 6, that equals to 48, so 48 counters for white. Is it okay, everyone? Okay, those are watching this video, please try to like, share and subscribe this video, because the for you I'm going to upload more videos for physics as well. So please do subscribe and do comment on what topic you want the video as well. Question number 7. Question number 7 we have is a fraction division. So first step is we need to write down as a like improper fraction of this like mixed fraction. So 5 pounds of 5 plus 2 is 7 over 5. This is division or divided by 3 over 10, and we know that in division 7 over 5 times and flip the next fraction 10 over 3. Is it okay? Now we can cancel this out, 5 times 1, and this is 5 times 2. So numerator times numerator, 7 times 2, that equals to 14, 1 times 3 becomes 3, and if I try to write this fraction as a mixed fraction, it will be like 3 4s are 12, 2 is a remainder, so 4 whole 2 over 3. Is it okay? Yes. Now next, question number 8. Question number 8 is about circle theorem questions, right? Read the question carefully. Now A, B, C, D are the points on the circle center O, and E, A, F, this one is a tangent. You can see here this angle is given 65 degree, this angle is given 80 degree, right? Now question is given that find the angle BCD. BCD, that means this angle we are trying to find out. This angle we are trying to find out. That's the question is all about, right? Yes. And give a geometrical property to explain each step of working, right? Okay. First step, I hope you remember, just I'm trying to recollect your memories. Now tell me, if this angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference, what does it mean? If it is x degree, the angle this one will be 2x degree. The same thing here. Now you tell me angle at the center on the same arc, right? This will be angle at the center is twice the angle circumference. What does it mean? If this angle is 80 degree, this will be half of this 40 degree, right? Yes or no? You have to write down properly. That I'm writing in this way. ACD equals to, so angle ACD equals to 80 degree divided by 2, that equals to 40 degree. Why? Because we know that angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. Got it? Okay, next part. Now if you remember that if this is circle we have, and these are the chords, and this is a tangent we have, so this angle is x, this angle is also x. Why? This is called alternate segment theorem. So if this is 65 degree, if I talk about this triangle right now, this one, if this is 65 degree, this angle is also 65 degree. Why? Because of alternate segment theorem. So I can write down BCA, we can write down BCA angle that equals to 65 degree. So we can write down due to alternate segment theorem, right? Now question is given, find the angle BCD. These two angles, right? Simply add this. So BCD equals to 40 plus 65. So angle BCD that equals to 40 degree plus 65 degree, that equals to 105 degree. Got it? So this is the answer for this question. So angle BCD equals to 105 degree. So please, whenever you go to the exam, before that you have to go through all the circle theorem rules. Okay. Yes. Next. Next question number 9 is about indices. So evaluate this one. So 16 means, listen, there is a hack for this one. Remember, in this power we have denominator 4. So try to write down 16 in power something which is equals to 4. What does it mean? That means 2 power 4 equals to 16, right? And what is the power is given again? Minus 3 over 4. So what happens is, if you times this one, because as per the indices law we have to times it, right? If you times this one, 4 get cancels. So I got 2 power minus 3. Got it? Yes, because if you remember the formula or rule, a power mn, that equals to a power mn, power of a power times it. So 2 power minus 3, so if you flip it, 1 over 2, the power should be positive, so we can say 1 over 8. Are you getting it? Because the rule says that x power negative m, that equals to 1 over x power m. If you change the place, the power or the sign of the power changes. Clear? So this answer should be 1 over 8. Next, write down this as a single power of 3. How? So because 9 equals to 3 squared, outside we have squared again, and times 3 power negative 1 over 2. So 3 power 4, 2 times 2, and 3 power negative half. And we know that as per the law of indices, when you multiply the indices of same base, then we have to add the powers. So 4 plus negative half, that equals to 3 power 4 minus 1 over 2, or we can say 3 power 4 minus 1 over 2, it will be 7 over 2. Is it okay? So this answer should be 7 over 2. If you remember the rule, x power m times x power n, that is x equals to x power m plus n. So that is the answer for this question. Is it okay? Yes. Question number 10 is a function questions, right? Now, fx equals to x plus 3, gx equals to x plus b squared. Okay, first step is given, find out the inverse function. How to find inverse function? Easy. Whatever the function is given, make it equal to y. That is y equals to ax plus 3. Now, try to keep x as a subject. How we can do that? Now, if I try to move this one, we got y minus 3, that equals to ax, right? So divide a on both sides, so we can say y minus 3 over a, that equals to x. Now after you do this, in the result or in the output, that replace y by x. So your answer for f inverse of x equals to, in place of y, write on x. So x minus 3 over a is the inverse function of this question. Okay, yes. Next question is, g f of x equals to 9x squared plus 24x plus 16. A and b are the positive integers. Find the value of a and b. This is a tricky question, and this is a question of composite function. A function followed by a function. Okay, in that case, so always start from the outer function. We have gx. What is g of x is given? X plus b squared. X plus b squared, and fx equals to I'm really sorry, so I'm sick, so yes, pardon me. So here that one is fx plus b, this one is squared. Is it okay? That is equals to, what is fx is given? Fx is given ax plus 3, so we can say ax plus 3 plus b squared. Are you getting it? So when it was x, this becomes x. When it is fx, this will be fx, and fx replaced by x plus 3. Now how to solve this one, or how to simplify this? Ax plus 3 plus b times, you can say ax plus 3 plus b, expanding multiple brackets, right? Now what to do is, so we can do like this, ax times ax times 3, x times b, like that. So we can say a squared plus x squared plus 3ax, right? It will be plus abx. Again, if you 3 times 3 times and 3 times, it will be 3ax plus 9 plus 3b. Is it okay? Plus this one, bx, b times 3 and bb, so we can say abx plus I think 3b, and we got b squared, right? If you simplify more, ax squared x squared x squared, right? So it will be 3x, we have 6ax, yes, plus abx, and abx will be 2abx. Got it? We got 2abx, right? and 3b plus 3b plus we have 6b, right? And we have 9 as well, and at last we have b squared. Okay, so as per the output, if I take common here 6a and 2ab, outside I keeping x here, and the constant one 6b plus 9 plus b squared. Please check properly. Okay, now question is given that this is exactly equals to 9x squared plus 24x plus 16. Try to understand this. It is 9x squared plus 24x plus 16. So what does it mean? That means your a square equals to 9, right? Your 24 equals to 6a plus 2ab, right? And 16 equals to this one, correct? But it's not needed to go to third one. You'll get the answer from the first one itself. Now you tell me, when I'm saying a squared equals to 9, so we got to know that is a equals to 3. Is it okay? Clear? And see, someone cannot say that why a is not negative, because given a and b are the positive integers, right? Square root of 9 should have given you 3 and minus 3, but we are taking only positive value. Now, so 6ab plus 2a equals to 6ab plus 2ab, no, 6a only, yes, a plus 2ab, that equals to, we have 24. So a is 3, so 6 times 3 equals to 18, plus 2 times 3 is 6a, that equals to 24. So 6a, rearrange it, 24 minus 18 equals to 6, and divide 6 on both sides, we can say a equals to 1. Sorry, this is b, we have 6b, this is 6b, and this is b equals to 1. Are you getting it? So here a equals to, we got 3, and b equals to 1. Is it okay? This is a tricky question, this one. So if I'm going very fast, try to pause the video and check how we are solving the question. Okay, yes. So and by the time, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Next question, question number 11. So here diagrams, the rectangle is given, triangle is given. You can see here the length of rectangle is given x, right, centimeter, and area of this rectangle is given 30 centimeter squared is the area of this rectangle, right? And triangle, we have three sides, x minus 1, 2x minus 3, and x plus 2 we have. Okay, write down the expression in terms of x for the width of the rectangle. Easy. How to know that? Now tell me, the length times width equals to area. So length is given x, and we need to write down expression for width. So x times width equals to area, which is given 30. So if I try to find only the width here, that is equals to 30 over x. Yes, so it should be 30 over x will be the answer for this question, the first part. Is it okay? Second part is given that the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to the perimeter of a triangle, and find the equation in x, show that it simplifies to x squared minus x minus 30, right? Okay, so what does it mean? So first we'll try to find out the perimeter of each one. So if I say, so this one we got 30 over x, this is x, and this is also 30 over x, right? So as per the question, the perimeter of rectangle, so let me write down. So I have to add all sides, x plus x, this is become 30 over x plus this is 30 over x, right? That is exactly equals to the perimeter of triangle x minus 1 plus x plus 2 plus 2x minus 3. Okay, so I'm writing here x plus 1 plus x, it is given x minus 1, one second, x minus 1 plus x plus 2, and it is given 2x minus 3. Okay, now both are equal. This is the perimeter of the rectangle, and this is the perimeter of the triangle. Both are exactly same as per the question. Now if you add it, it will be 2x plus 30 plus 30 is 60 over x. Yes, because the denominator is equal, so numerator should be added. So now this is x plus x, 2x plus 2x become 4x, right? And minus 1 plus 2 is 1, and 1 minus 3 equals to minus 2. Got it? Now rearrange it. So how to rearrange this one? So I think we can remove this x from denominator. So times x times x times x and times x. So we can say This will be 2x squared plus 60, that equals to 4x squared minus 2x, right? Now try to rearrange the numbers, or sorry, all the terms to one side. So this side we have 4x squared, move this 2x squared and this one, so minus 2x squared, sign changes. So here we have minus 2x already and minus 60, and this will be equals to 0, right? So 4x squared minus 2x squared becomes 2x squared minus 2x minus 60, that equals to 0. So to simplify more, divide 2, divide 2, divide 2 and divide 2. So we can say x squared minus x and divide to 30, that equals to 0. This is what I got it, right? You can see here, this is what we have to prove it also. X squared minus x minus 30 equals to 0. Is it okay, everyone? Yes. Next is given that solve this equation, this one. So easy, you can solve it by factorization, simple. Now if I do in that way, listen, if I know that ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, tell me such two numbers whose times will be ac, and same two number we have to put it here so that addition or subtraction could be middle number b. This is a way to factorize I'm talking about, right? Now in this case, what is a is given? In this case, a equals to 1, b equals to minus 1 and c equals to minus 30. Is it okay? So find two numbers whose times will be minus 30, ac, 1 times minus 30, and same two numbers when you add or subtract, this should be minus 1. So what are the two numbers we have? So I think it should be minus 6 and 5. It will be minus 6 and plus 5. Is it okay? Now it can be written two factors. So it will be x minus 6 and it will be x plus 5 equals to 0. Now make it individual factors. X plus 6 equals to, sorry, x minus 6 equals to 0 and x plus 5 equals to 0. If you rearrange it, we got x equals to 6, and when you rearrange it, we got x equals to minus 5. So two values we got, 6 and minus 5, for this factorization of quadratic equation. Clear? Okay. Next part is given that find out the perimeter of rectangle. Easy. So if you go back to this figure, we have length is given x and width is given 30 over x. Okay. One more thing. Here we got two values. One is 6 and minus 5. So length cannot be negative, right? So we'll not take the negative value. Okay. So we'll take the x value 6 here. Now the length of rectangle, we have x which is equals to 6, and width of rectangle 30 over x, we have 30 over 6 which equals to 5. Clear? Now how to find the perimeter? Simply we have to add the length and width plus length and width. So I think it will be 22 centimeter. You can check this, 22 centimeter. 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 plus 6 17, 17 plus 5 is 22. Got it? Yes. Next is given that factorize. Okay, now in this you can see here, in these three terms we have x, right? So we can take common x here. If I take x common, it will be 6x squared plus 5x minus 4. Is it okay? First step. Now this is a quadratic statement, so we can factorize this, right? So first step is how to factorize. So we can splitting the midterm as well. So find two numbers whose times will be AC. 6 times minus 4, that equals to minus 24, and same two number that we can add or subtract, it should be 5. Are you getting it? So I think it will be 8 and minus 3. So it will be 8 and minus 3. So I can write down in this way. So this middle term I can split by 8 and minus 3. So 6x squared plus 8x minus 3x minus 4. Is it okay? Now from this two term, what common I can take? So I think I can take common 2x here, that is 3x plus 4, and from this two term we can take minus 1 here, it will be 3x plus 4. Got it? Now in this term, what common I can take? So we can take common 3x plus, right? What is left in the first term? 2x, second term minus 1, and what is already we have take common? This is not 8, this is x we have. 1 second please. Yes, and this one is x. See, this is called factorization. Three factors we got. One is x, other one is 3x plus 4, and other one we have 2x minus 1. Is it okay? Please check. This is a good question. So how to factorize? This kind of question they can ask in the exam paper. Okay, so good practice. Have a good practice on this. Next question is a percentage question, right? In a sale, a shop reduces all prices by 20%. Okay, the a coat cost $85 before the sale. Before the sale, right? Work out the sale price in the code. That means on the sale price, you're going to get discount of 20%. First, we'll try to find out what is 20% of 85. So 25% of 85 means 85 times 20 over 100. So as we are not having calculator, so please calculate properly. So for example, this 20 times 1, this is 20 times 5, 100, right? So in 85 over 5, so we can 5 times 1 and 5. If you divide this, it will be 5 points of 5, 3, 5, 17. So we got $17 off. Off means you have to subtract this. So 85 was the cost, real price. You got like reduction of 17. If you subtract this, you will get $68. Did you get it everyone? Yes. Next part. The sale price of a shirt is given $40. Work out the cost before the sale. Try to understand this question. Now see, I don't know what is the price of this one. Okay, initial price. But as per the question, this price has been reduced by 20%. See, this is given 20%, right? This price reduced by 20%, and right now, after the reduction, we have the price is given $40. Now question is given before reduction, what is the price? This is a question of reverse percentage, right? Always take the initial value as 100%, and this final value 100 minus 20, that becomes 80%. Is it okay? So what does it mean? If 80% value equals to 40, then 1% will be 40 over 80, then 100% will be 40 over 80 times 100. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? Right, now what to do? 40 times 1, 40 times 2, again 100 over 2, 2 times 1 and 2 times 50. Simple. So the answer should be $50. Are you getting it? That means this initial cost should have been $50. Sorry, 50. Okay. Next question. Yes, next question is of sector. Okay. OAB is a minor sector of a circle O, sector O, okay, and OCD, OAB, this one is a minor sector, this one we are talking about this, right? And OCD is a major sector of different circle, center O. OC and ODB are straight lines. OC is given 6 centimeter. This one is given 6 centimeter. Okay, and OA is given 9 centimeter. That means this one is given 9 centimeter. Is it okay? Right? Now, length of minor arc AB, that means the question is given in this way. This length, okay, this length is given 5 pi centimeter. Now, question is given that work out the area of the major arc OCD. We have to find out the area of this one major arc. Which one? This one. We have to find out the area of major sector. Sorry, major sector of this one. We need to find out this area. Okay, before that, we can find out this angle first. This one. Are you getting it? How to find this angle? So we know that area arc length, right? So we know that arc length, right, AB, that equals to is given 5 pi, right? How to find the arc length of a sector? So angle over 360 times 2 pi r, right, that equals to is given 5 pi, correct? So we can find out the angle here because radius is given. So for this, radius is given, what is that? 9 centimeter for this one. So we can say that angle over 360 times 2 times pi times 9, that equals to 5 pi, right? I need to find angle here, so I'll keep angle here as a subject. So 5 pi and 360 will move to the numerator, and 2 and pi and 9 will be moved to the denominator, right? Yes, because these three terms will move to the denominator and this term will go to the numerator. Okay, now if you check this, pi and pi can be cancelled, right? And 9 times 40 will be, I think, 360, and 2 times 20 will be 40, and numerator part we have 5 times 20, that equals to 100 degree. Did you get it? So theta equals to 100. By using this we got to know, so this angle we got 100 degree. Is it okay? So as I'm trying to find out this area, so first we'll try to find out this angle first. So this angle equals to 360, because angle at the center is 360 minus 100, so we got to know that is equals to 260 degree. So this angle equals to 260 degree. Is it okay? Now question is given, find out the area of this sector. So how to find out the area of a sector? So area of the sector, the formula is angle over 360 times pi r square. So if you go back to this figure, so this angle we have 260 and this radius is given 6 centimeter, right? So yes, we can use that. So 260 over 360 degree times pi 6 square. Okay, so again 260 over 360 times pi times 36. So if you cancel this out, 36 times 10 and 10 you can cancel this out or divide this, will be 26. So in terms of pi, the answer of this question, that area, that equals to 26 pi, which is present in the numerator. So question is given, find the answer in terms of pi. Yes, we got this answer as a 26 pi. Is it okay? Question number 15. The person is making a rectangular lawn by 14 by 19 meter. He used grass seed to make the lawn, and grass seed costs 0.3441 meter squared. Write each number correct to one significant figure and estimate the cost of seed needed. Okay, try to understand this. This is the lawn we have. Imagine in this way. This is 14 meter is given. This one is 19 meter is given, right? And the person wants to grass to the seed to make the lawn, right? Yes. Now first, if I try to find the area, it will be 14 times 19. Is it okay? This is the area of this meter squared, right? So if I say for 1 meter squared, the cost is given 0.34, right? So for this area, so total cost will be 14 times 19 times 0.34. Is it okay? But the question is given, find the estimate, right? We can't use calculator for that. So write down up to one significant figure. So 14 in one significant figure will be 10. 19 one significant figure will be 20. And this one will be one significant figure will be 0.3. Is it okay? So I think you got, this is 200 times 0.3 means 3 over 10. So it will be 600 over 10. If you cancel this out, we got 60, right? The answer for this question will be $60. Are you getting it? See, listen, if I'm going very fast, if it seems, then please pause the video, make this video slow, and then you can learn very easily. Okay, so by the time, don't forget to subscribe this, because I'm going to upload for physics, and if time permits, I'll upload chemistry prediction paper as well. Okay, question number 16. We have 4x minus 7, that equals to 9, right? So find the value of x. So 4x equals to, if you rearrange this one, so 9 plus 7, so 4x equals to 16. Divide 4 on both sides, so we can say 16 over 4, so we can say x equals to 4. We got this. Okay, next 16b, solve this simultaneous equation. Okay, now here we have two equations. So simultaneous equation can be solved in very easy way, that is called elimination method. Now if I see the first equation, I'm keeping exactly same, 5y minus 8x equals to minus 5. See, I'm trying to make this x terms equal. So what I'm trying to do is, in second equation, I'm trying to multiply 4. Okay, so because I want to make 8 and 8 here as well. So 4 times 3 becomes 12y, plus 4 times 2 becomes 8x, and 4 times 14, it will be 56. Clear? You have to multiply each term by 4. Okay, now if you see this, minus 8x and plus 8x becomes 0. So 5y plus 12y becomes 17y, that equals to 15 minus 5, that is exactly equals to 51. Got it? Now divide 17 on both sides. So 51 over 17. So we got to know that is value of y equals to 3. So value of y equals to 3. So how to find the value of x? Take any one equation of your choice. I am taking the second equation. 3y plus 2x equals to 14, right? And 3y we got 3 times 3 plus 2x means 2x equals to 14. So 9 plus 2x equals to 14. So we can say 2x equals to 14 minus 9, which is equals to 5. Then x equals to 5 over 2, or we can say 2.5. So yes, we got x equals to 5 over 2 and y equals to 3. Got it, everyone? Yes. Next. This question is about vectors, right? The diagram shows a quadrilateral OACB. You can see here. So OA equals to A, this one. OB equals to B, this one. And OB is parallel to AC. These two are parallel. You can see here as per the question, right? And AC equals to twice of OB. So whatever the value OB is given, this will be exactly twice of this one. But direction will be exactly same. Huh? So it will be 2B. Is it okay? 2 times b, we got to know from the question. Next, find the simplest form in terms of AB, that is AB vector. So if I try to join this AB vector in this way, so AB vector, right? So can we say, if you remember the vector law, so AB vector in this triangle, AB vector equals to AO vector plus OB vector, is it? So AO vector, this is opposite directions, it will be minus A plus B. Yes, so this answer should be minus A plus B. Got it? So AB equals to minus A plus B. Next question is given, find OC vector. Okay, OC vector means which one? If I try to join this will be a OC vector in this direction, right? So OC vector equals to OA, this one, plus AC. So OC vector equals to OA vector plus AC vector, right? So OC equals to A and AC is 2B. So that becomes A plus 2B. Is it okay? So OC vector equals to A plus 2B vector. Got it, everyone? Yes. Now, X is the point on OC such that OX and ratio XC equals to 4:1. Try to understand this question. Let me remove all these things. Now, question is given that OC is joined. Okay, there is a point on OC, for example, that is called X, and OX, if it is 4 parts, XC contain 1 parts. Ratio is given 4:1. So question is given that find out the vector BX, this one. Find out the vector what? BX. Are you getting it? So now you tell me BX, if I try to write down BX vector, that equals, I'm talking about this one, BX vector equals to BO vector plus OX vector. BX vector equals to BO vector plus OX vector, like this, right? Okay, so if you see this, that OX vector is a part of OC vector, and OC already we got this A plus B, right? So can we say that OX is the, because it have 4:1, so 4/5 of OC vector, isn't it? Right? That OX vector is 4 out of 5, 4/5, because total will be 4/5, right? 4 out of 5 times OC vector. Yes, we can. So we can write down here. So BX vector equals to BO vector, means go in opposite way. So I think I'll take minus B plus, in place of OX, I can write down 4 out of B times OC vector, that is A plus 2B. Okay, now you have to simplify this. How to simplify this? So minus B, expand the bracket, it will be 4 out of 5A and it will be 8 out of 5B, right? Now 4 out of 5A plus, These two terms are like terms. So minus 1 plus 8 over 5. See, minus 1 plus 8 over 5. So minus 1 means I can write down as a minus 5 over 5 plus 8 over 5 if you try to simplify. So 8 5 minus 3, so it will be 3 over 5, right? So I can write down this will be 3 over 5b. This is the answer for this question, bx vector. Is it okay? So 4 out of 5b plus 3 out of 5b. So let me write this answer. So 4 out of 5b plus 3 out of 5b is the answer for this question. So again, I'm saying if I'm going very fast, pause the video, make this video slow, then you can learn what I'm trying to teach you. Okay, so by the time, don't forget to share and subscribe this channel, okay, so that you can get the more prediction papers for upcoming exams. And do let me know what topic you want me to like make the video on that. Okay, question number 18. Question number 18 is about differentiation questions, right? Now, so this is y, this is d over dx. Question is given, find the value n and q. Okay, now if I try to find out dy over dx, this answer should be n times x power n minus 1, right? Plus q is constant, x squared differentiation becomes 2x, right? And differentiation of 9x will be 9. Got it? Now that is exactly equals to what is given. It is given 3x squared minus 12x plus 9. Can you see this? Now if you check this properly, so here this is n equals to 3, okay, or we can say n minus 1 equals to 2, so n equals to 3 as well. Got it? Now we can say that here it is given xn, so minus 12 equals to 2q, right? So yes, we got this. So we can say n equals to 3 here. That part is clear, that is easy. Now we can say 2 cube equals to minus 12. Okay, be careful, negative sign. So divide 2 on both sides, that equals to minus 6. So q equals to minus 6. Is it okay? Right. Next, work out the coordinates of turning point of the curve. All of us know that at turning point, the gradient is always equals to 0. What is gradient? Gradient in terms of differentiation, right? So dy over dx equals to 0, right? So do you have dy over dx? Yes, we have this one. So dy over dx, let me write down again. So dy over dx equals to 0. That is given 3x squared minus 12x plus 9. So 3x squared minus 12x plus 9, that equals to 0. Now if you see this, divide 3, divide 3, divide 3 and divide 3. Make it simpler. So x squared minus 4x plus 3 equals to 0, right? Now we can factorize this. Two factors. Tell me two numbers whose times will be 3. And addition or subtraction could be minus 4. So it will be like x minus 3 and x minus 1, right? So if you make it individual factors, x minus 3 equals to 0. So we can say x minus 1 equals to 0. If you rearrange it, we got x equals to 3 and we got x equals to 1. But we got the value of x only, right? How to find the value of y? So y equation is given here. This one, right? And n is 3 and q is minus 6. We got it, right? Let me write down here again. So y equals to, we have x power n plus what we had, qx squared plus 9x, qx squared plus 9x. Okay, so n we got 3 in the previous part, plus q we got minus 12, right? Q is minus 6, sorry, minus 6x squared plus 9x. This is the y we got it, right? Now to find the value of y in each case, put here, for example, y equals to x cube minus 6x squared plus 9x. So put y, x equals to 3 here. So 3 cube minus 6 times 3 squared plus 9 times 3. Is it okay? Now y equals to 27 minus 54 plus 27. So this will be 54 minus 54, that is y equals to 0. I am getting it. So x equals to 3, y equals to 0. So x equals to 3, y equals to 0. So be careful what value of x you're getting and y you're getting. So don't get confused in that, okay? So here y equals to, it will be x cube again minus 6x squared plus 9. So put 1 here. So 1 cube is 1, 1 squared is 1, this is plus 9. So y equals to minus 5 plus 9, and we can say y equals to 4. So we can say 1 and 4. So 3 and 0 and 1 and 4. Is it okay? You can check this. 3 and 0 and 1 and 4. Okay. Next, question number 19. Yes, it's about coordinate geometry. So B is a point, D is a point, the coordinate is given both, and BD is a diagonal of a kite ABCD. Okay, let's draw this. So in this way, for example, so we can say this is A, this one is B, this one is C, and for example this one is D. So B is given minus 3 comma 1 and D is given minus 5 comma 9, right? And BD is a diagonal. Yes, BD is a diagonal is given like this. Now BD ratio AC is given 2 ratio 3. That means two diagonals are given, right? If I draw this the diagonal AC is bigger, obviously. Yes, 2 ratio 3. Now work out the length of AC. We need to find the length of AC. Okay, first we have the coordinate of B and C, so we can find out the length of BD first. If you remember the length formula, it is x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared, take the square root. This is the length formula if the coordinates are given, right? So in this case, if I, for example, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, and this is y2. So x2 we have minus 5 minus 3, right? This is squared, plus y2 is given 9 minus 1 squared, take the square root. So I'm trying to find the length of BD. Yeah? Okay, so minus 5 plus 3, that becomes, I think, minus 2 squared. 9 minus 8, it will be 8 squared. Is it okay? So it will be 4 plus 64. So we got 68. We got 68. Okay, if I'm trying to make it simpler, 68 can be written as a 4 times I think 17, if I'm not wrong, right? Yes, so 68, right? This one I can write in this way. So square root of 4 times square root of 7. So if you simplify more, it will be 2 times root 17. It will be the length of BD. Now as per the question, so ratio of BD and AC is given 2 ratio 3, right? That means it is given 2 ratio 3. Now this length, we got it right now, that is 2 root 17. See, it means you times root 17, right? So times root 17 as well. So what is the answer for length I'll get for AC? So 3 times root 17. Yes, the answer I can write down 3 times root 17. Is it okay? Got it? Yes. So next part is find the coordinates of the midpoint of BD. How to find midpoint? Okay, how to find BD? BD is midpoint here, for example. The formula for midpoint, if you remember, the formula is x1 plus x2 over 2, comma y1 plus y2 over 2, right? So here x1 plus x2, minus 3 plus minus 5 over 2. So minus 3 plus minus 5 over 2, comma, I think y1 is given 1 and 9, 1 and 9. So 1 plus 9 over 2. Are you getting it? So minus 3 minus 5 becomes minus 8, over 2 is minus 4, and 10 over 2, that becomes 5. Sorry, this becomes 5. So this is a midpoint I'm getting. So I'm getting minus 4 comma 5. Is it okay? Yes. Next part. The diagonal AC of the kite passes through the point BD. Find the equation of AC and give an answer y equals to mx plus c. Try to understand the question. Now AC is passing through the point, midpoint is given minus 4 and 5. Find the equation of AC. So first of all, you should know that, listen carefully, in a kite, like this, right? In a kite, always remember the basic property. Two diagonals always intersect at 9 degree. Okay, always intersect at 9 degree. So this was BD here and this was AC here, right? So what does it mean? Can we first find out the gradient of BD? So how to find the gradient if the points are given? So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. If you go back y and x, so 9 minus 1 minus 5 minus 3. So we can say 9 minus 1 over minus 5 minus 3. So we can say 8 over minus 5 plus 3, that it becomes minus 2, and that equals to minus 4. Is it okay? And we know that if two lines are perpendicular, their gradient times, so m1 times m2 should be negative 1. Do you understand this? So gradient of BD we got minus 4, then gradient of AC, okay, it should be 1 over 4. Did you get it? Because this time this should be negative 1. So change the sign and flip it. Clear? Okay. Now this AC, the general equation of line equals to, we know y equals to mx plus c. So we got gradient is y equals to 1 over 4x plus c. To find the value of c, we'll take the help of the point through which it is passing. So this is a midpoint and passing through midpoint, right, as per the question. And we got this midpoint is minus 4 and 5. So at minus 4 and 5, so if I replace y by 5, 1 over 4 times minus 4 plus c, right? So we got, so 5 equals to minus 1 plus c. If you rearrange it, 5 plus 1, so c equals to 6. The final answer should be y equals to 1 over 4x. This is the equation, right? 1 over 4x, c we got 6. So that is the equation of AC, which is passing through the midpoint of BD. Is it okay? Check this. Next, question number 20. A bag contains 6 red marbles, 3 green marbles, and 1 blue marble. So if I try to add all this, total marble we have, I think, 10. Is it okay? 2 marbles are picked random from the bag with replacement. Every time you are replacing it, that means second time the total number of counters will be exactly same, right? So question is given, find the probability both marbles are green. Green, we have green marbles 3, right? Sorry. So it will be 3 out of 10. Second time, as you are replacing it, second time also it will be 3 out of 10. Is it okay? So this probability will be 9 out of 100. Clear? Okay. Question number 20b. Another bag contains 4 red counters, 2 yellow counters, right? 2 counters picked at random, but this time you are doing without replacement. That means second time the number of counters will be less. Now complete the tree diagram. Again I'm saying, so red counters we have 4 and yellow counters is given 6. Okay. Now, so the always remember that in tree diagram this 2 is always add up to 1. This 2 branches is always add up to 1. So if it is 3 over 5, this will be 2 over 5. Simple. By seeing this we can say. Clear? Right. Next part is, now this time yellow you have taken, which is 2 out of 6. So if this is yellow, right? So red count is given 4. So we can say second time will be less, 1 less, because you are replacing it, it will be 4 out of 5. Are you getting it? Next, if it is 4 out of 5, then it should be 1 out of 5 in that sense, because we can say this 2 add up to 1. Or we can say already you have chosen 1 already. So 1 is left in the back. So it's second time yellow will be 1 out of 5. Is it okay? And whatever it is, remember these 2 branches always add up to 1. Next, so find the probability that one of the 2 counters is yellow. What does it mean? It means that it would be red and yellow, right? And it would be yellow or red. This is the output we are getting it. Clear? So this will be red and yellow, okay? And this is yellow and red. One will be red. So we can say red or yellow plus yellow or red. 2 probabilities we have. So I can write down this 4 over 6, and this is given 2 over 5, okay? And this is, we have 2 out of 6 times it is 4 over 5, right? So when you try to add this one, so it will be 8 over 30 plus 8 over 30. So add the numerator because denominator exactly same. So 16 over 30. So if you simplify more, it will be like 8 over 15. Divide 2 in numerator and denominator as well. Is it okay, everyone? Yes. Now question number 21 about set questions. Right. Now we'll try to understand this question. A fitness club has 100 members, right? 60 is swim. See, when I'm saying 60 is swim, try to understand this. Swim means this inside we have 60, the full, this one, 60, right? 70 for cycle, that means this inside we have 70, full is cycle. Got it? And 25 do not swim cycle. 25 do not swim means it's outside. So basically, this Venn diagram has been classified or categorized into four parts: 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? As per the question, this outside we have 25. So remaining how much? 100 minus 25, that equals to, I think it will be 75. Is it? Yes, 75. So what does it mean? It means this plus this plus this will be 75. Clear? Okay. Now if you see this question carefully, 60 is swim. Try to understand this one. This plus this 75. Out of which this one is we have is 60. Right? Remaining part, this part how much? 70 minus 60. So 70 minus 60 equals to, I think, 15. Did you understand, everyone? Right, again I'm saying that this plus this equals to 75, out of which this one is 60. The part which is left, 70 minus 60 equals to 15. Is it okay? Now as per the question, 70 is a cycle one, so this one is 70, out of which 15 we got. Remaining part, 70 minus 15. 70 minus 15 equals to 55. Is it okay? Right? And the swimming is given 60. This one, for this one is given 60. So this is 5, this is 55, and this is 15, and this is 25. I hope you understood this case, right? So complete the Venn diagram, you'll get the full marks for this. Now, one member of fitness club is chosen at random. So for this member, find the probability of see how many members we have in this, because you are choosing one member from here. So 55 plus 15 is will be 70, right? So 70 out of 100, because probability, right? So if you simplify, divide 10, I'll get 7 over 10. Is it okay? Next, swim intersection C. So swim intersection C means we are talking about this part, this area. So 55. So probability will be 55 out of 100. Is it okay? Next, S union C complement. Try to understand and find this area. Right. S union C complement means C. C complement means everything outside C, means this one. Everything outside C, including S. Including S means this much. See, that means 5, 55, and 15. Are you getting? 5, 55, and 15. So we can say, sorry, 5, 55, and 25. 5, 25 plus 55 over 100. So that means it is 85 over 100 will be the answer. Do you understand, everyone, clearly? As per the question, again I'm saying this. C complement means outside C. Outside C. Union means you have to include that. Union what? S. That means this is also included. So this is 5, this is 55, and 25. This 3 we have to add and divide by the 100, because total number is given 100. Is it okay? Right. Next part is about trigonometry. Okay. Now this is a graph is given. Sketch the graph y equals to cos x. Easy. So remember that for cos 0 is equals to 1, and for 90 this will be 90 in between, and this will be 270. Is it okay? For 90 cos is 0. For 180 the cos is minus 1. You have to remember this, okay? And for 270 is 0, and for 360 it will be 1 here, somewhere around here. So if I try to join this, the cos curve will look like this. So one second, don't make it so pointed one, so wave kind of thing, okay? This kind of thing. This is a cos curve. Again I'm saying cos 0 equals to 1, cos 90 equals to 0, cos 180 is minus 1, cos 270 is 0, and cos 360 equals to 1. Okay. Next, solve this equation. So 2 cos x plus root 3 equals to 0. So 2 cos x equals to minus root 3, and cos x equals to minus root 3 over 2. Is it okay? Now, so cos, how to find the angle, right? So to find the angle, so I can put here, so x equals to cos inverse minus root 3 over 2. Okay, so how to get this without calculator? See, you should know the basic values, right? And we know that cos 30 degree, that equals to root 3 over 2 for positive angle. Cos 30 degree equals to root 3 over 2, right? See, listen. So if I draw this cos diagram, I hope all of you know this. This is cos is positive, here all are positive, here sine is positive, and here tan is positive. Is it okay? Now you see, cos 30 degree is root 3 over 2. 30 degree will lie in first quadrant. So here cos is positive, no? This angle. So for which you got those value root 3 over 2, right? But I need to find the angle for minus root 3 over 2. Now cos is negative in which quadrant? Second quadrant and third quadrant. If you replicate this image, it will look like this, and this angle will be 30 degree. Is it okay? Now you are here and I'm trying to find this angle. So this angle will be how much? 180 minus 30. Are you getting it? 180 minus 30, which is equals to 150 degree for first angle. Got it? Got right? This angle will be 150, and yes, value will be negative value. Got it? Next is cos is negative in third quadrant as well. So third means here, right? This is also 30, right? That means you are here, and this angle also will be negative. That means if I try to find this angle, this one, it will be 180 plus 30. Got it? So 180 plus 30, that equals to 210 degree. Got it? So yes, this is the answer for this question, 150 and 210 degree. Okay, see, yes, this is it. And please, like, all the best for your exam. I hope all of you are preparing so well. Please do not forget to share and subscribe this channel so that you can get your prediction paper question just before the exams. And yes, I didn't include the question, but you have to practice, listen the graphs, the histogram questions, okay, and cumulative frequency questions. Don't forget to practice questions, histogram and cumulative frequency questions also for the paper 2 exam. Okay, and once your exam is over, please come and do comment that how is your exam. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.